Okay, we now next learn motion. We just learn the welding parameters. Okay, we learn the motion. Motion have two. Manual speed. Manual speed is X. Use this button. You can change the moving. to 2000. The speed will very fast. How to launch? We only choose the start one time and stand here. Here is go right. Here is go left. You can see it here. Go left, go right. We choose the go left one time. Here is go left. You can see it. And go right. Here is go right. And then Y is see the here. Here is go front. Here is go back. Here is go down. Here is go up. This is Z exercise. Here is Y exercise. Here is X exercise. According the button stand here. According the buttons moving direction. Okay. Here is X, Y, Z the speed. A moving speed is up and down. Here is according to here. Okay. Here is C moving the speed. C according to the direction. Changes the moving manual speed. Change the moving manual speed. The Y speed here. We just relate. Here is center Y and return Y. The moving speed is here. Is the manual speed. Step size is C speed step size in the run page. Is welding speed. Also is the C speed. The changes when you in the debugging and welding. Only press the one time. You can see the here. Motion only one, right? We set here is one. We long page. If we want launch, edit according to one. If we want to in motion, we change it 1.5. Then we launch is 45, right? Here is motion. Is step. Is the edit step. The Y speed step also in the run page. The Y speed run one. Press one times. Here I did a step. And the current speed step is here. Welding current. Okay. And LVC voltage and the track speed in the run page is here. Okay. Here's motion. And the factory settings only changes the language. Here is Chinese and English. Okay, back. And now this page is motion. The page. We just to learn the fraction program because oscillator the fraction page we late. Okay, we just do the fraction program. Okay, we do next learn delay time the control. You can see the first touchdown delay. In the design and the welding. We press the start. The touch go down. The delay time is we set the 25. The means is 2.5 seconds. Okay, must edit here. The means is 2.5 seconds. Y return Y delay in the wedding. When wedding finished, the Y maybe the sender also let the Y go back a little. Here's return Y delay. This means. And the current check and the current check time, because if we in a wedding, then please start if tank dash start let the wedding power on, then if wedding power no success open, if no open, because when wedding power have a current send out, then if no current, the program stop here. Must check the current the success. The program working again. Okay. Here is you can when you testing in wedding. In test wedding must choose off. Here is choose off. We only let the choose on. Check time. The means is let the controller check the current out this time. Here is here. Here is current the plus. Here is use the DC tick. Here is use the DC plus tick. Okay. Here AVC on, delay AVC off, because we choose the AVC, right? Here is open the AVC fraction the delay time and the off delay time. Here is the AVC fraction. We next learn it. Okay. And now we don't learn it because when we need the AVC fraction can use in wedding. This AVC fraction must choose off. Okay. Must choose off. Okay. This is fraction the premise, not program. Okay. In the we next to learn the I import and autopage. Now we learn output and input the oscillate. Okay. This means output. You can see the here X limit and to the B limit, and the counters are success. Parts are success. This means when wedding working, here we send a single to the PLC. The single here is oscillated the left, oscillated the right is here, and the sender Y and the return Y is here, and the check gas you can see the here check gas here is the here check it right, and the start plus is the E stop, and the C alarm and the A alarm and the B alarm is servers the driver, and the wedding off and on is wedding on or off is the wedding let the wedding power by the on and off. Gas is if you check the gas here also the output let the wedding power check the gas, touch on and here touch down and off, and oscillator the on and off, and the AVC and the sender the Y and the return Y the output. Okay. Here the alarm logic is if we want limit, and the server driver have a long. Here we change here send the message here. Okay, we check the limit on edge. Here is the X, this you can see the here, right? 再把按一下那个上面。Here is 按的 here 按的。Here is the Y, this okay. Okay, this is the input and output the MOSFET. We next do in the debug run this program, test it. Okay, how to run it. Okay. No ready. We first learn no ready. Okay. We next do learn ready. Okay. We now learn how to in debug. Which debug? In the debug the model, run the program 0. We can change here. We let the 0 and rotate the very speed and the no one in debug. No send y, and the y speed, and here is no, and here is no. Only the speed and the rotate. Okay, we check it in the long page. We also know to the oscillator function. We can see the here. You can see the when you restart the machine, you can see the C rotators, C position. The now is 1000, about 1000 degree, right? In debug, here must choose the 0, and check the speed, and check the very speed. When you press the start, here nothing, right? Because the controller let you know must set the 0. We press the set 0. Also, first when you set the 0 before the press the start, we need to do it. We can after set 0, we press the start again. Okay, check it. The touch go down, then tracker. Because we set the premise, we move it this degree. If you change the direction, only let the tracker go here. We choose the long page. We can see the rotate. Here is the position. If you want to stop, the tracker stop. The limit is light. Okay, and here is the movie about 110 degree, right? Then please start again. The tracker go down, go. Then position is go, right? That's it. After moving this degree, the program will stop. You can see it. I go up. The track is stop, right? We change the speed. We change the direction and the speed. We let the tracker change this. Also, we can change the 400, right? And change the speed, change the point. Let the speed slowly, okay? Then save it. We run. Now we first set the 0 first. Then press the start. Here we go, right? His direction is go here, right? If we want to pass, stop. You can see the degree, right? We press the start again. We move it again. If we want to let the e-stop, press the e-stop, okay? Check it. Here is no oscillate. We next do open the oscillate, then check it, okay? You see that here? Because the track very slowly, you can see that here. Okay, we next here is movie the 400. About 100. Let's do. If you want to stop again, check it, right? Then start again. About 50.